Today we got a video from Lens of Law, and the title of the video is Knife Welding Man Charges Police and Pays the Ultimate Price.
Shots fired, shots fired.
On May 6, 2025, in Chicago's Grand Crossing neighborhood, a 911 call reported a man threatening residents with a knife inside an assisted living facility.
Chicago Emergency John.
Hey, how you doing? May I please get can I get a police? Please.
What's going on now?
One of my residents, I think he's not on his meds, but he's walking around. One of my residents, he has a knife on him. I'm the receptionist. He just came to the front desk.
Okay,
Told me
black, white, Hispanic, Asian?
He's black, ma'am.
What clothes does he have on?
He has on a white T-shirt and like some blue jeans.
And your name?
My name. He has a butcher knife on him.
Is he acting aggressively, like he wants to stab someone?
Yes, he just did it to one of. He just was talking.
Officers arrived at the Grand Regency of Jackson Park Supportive Living, where what began as a welfare check quickly escalated into a deadly encounter that ended in gunfire.
Right, yeah. Sir,
get back.
sit back.
Get back. Get back.
Get back, sir.
Get back, sir.
There you go.
Hey, that's a quick draw, man. I like that. That's good work. My boy been training at the range.
Sir,
Get back.
Quick.
Get
Get
back.
back.
Get back.
Get back, sir.
Get back, sir.
There you go. Hey.
Get back.
All right, crazy if you want to.
We getting another unit over. 324.
Go in your apartment, sir.
Can we get another unit to the 5th floor, non-emergency? What's up?
He threatened a lady with a knife. He also threatened another older guy that lived on his floor with a butcher knife. The receptionist and also the nurses down there, they want him out. And also management in 520.
They're gonna open the door?
They said they opened the door for us.
It says we open the door, it's a step. Okay.
We tried to talk to him. We tried to get him to open the door.
What's his name? Hey, Mr.
What up? Yeah, these police at my door trying to eat my soul, bro.
Hey, Mr.
I ain't going nowhere, bro. Y'all gonna die.
Sergeant Velez, listen, let's have a conversation.
Police, they trying to take me to the hospital to eat my soul. If they eat my soul, they can cook it. You just have to
Killing off his man for 2 days.
Right.
So they said we do a mental health transport for him, but they need him out of here tonight.
Does he have a weapon? They seen him with the weapon?
They seen him with a butcher knife. Yes, they did.
Where did he get it?
We don't know. Maybe his apartment.
All right, well, they're gonna have to come open the door for us.
Yeah, they said they will. But we tried to. But we tried to come up here first, talk to police to see if he's gonna come out.
You said we open the door that isn't established.
Yeah. Well, you here?
Do you guys, who had a pointing incident?
We did.
What happened with that?
Well, we was walking one of the elderlies before we could approach the door, and he came out, but we couldn't see his right hand, so we just told him to get back. That's when we had to go into the
And then he got back and closed the door.
Ran right back in the room.
Okay. How old is this guy?
I didn't look at his date of birth, but I do got his
Well, how old does he look? You saw him?
Like about 60.
Big, small, overweight, tall?
Look, chunky, not that big.
I want to have a conversation with you, Mr. This is Sergeant Velez.
What?
Let's have a conversation, sir.
I ain't got no conversation with nobody.
What's going on?
Ain't nothing going on. I'm watching TV.
Okay, but what happened earlier tonight?
Earlier tonight, this dude right here next door to this. I know the street when the streets get real bad, somebody trying to eat your soul. This dude
Okay.
Well, he's pretty much talking about they're trying to eat his soul. So clearly, this is a mental health issue. Everybody kind of knows that and understands that. But when you got, a weapon in your hand, hey, mental health or not, man, it's either my life or your life. And I'm trying to live. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm not about to sit around and find out if you gonna harm me or not, because listen, you make one wrong move, we gonna have to holler at you in the afterlife, my boy, because this is serious matter here. So it doesn't surprise me if this guy ends up getting taken down like a dog.
Well, can you come out and talk to us?
No. Stop. Just leave.
We're not gonna leave. We cannot leave.
Stop. Shit. You'll be all right. Why you stupid?
You got the key? Yeah. Get down.
Okay.
Get down. Don't make me do it again. Get down. Get down.
Nah, that didn't faze him.
Get up. Get up. Get up. Shots fired.
Shots fired. Shots fired.
Let me get EMAS over here. 1448.
Cover.
Wow.
Okay. Yeah, I'm good.
You good, sir?
Yeah, I'm good. Hey, get the knife.
Yep. Secure the knife. Start life-saving measures.
Put your hand on it. 320, I'm here.
Okay.
What the hell are they doing?
Who shot?
I'm good.
Bro, what kind of shit is that? Yo, Chicago different, boy. You secure the knife, check, see if he if he good. If he not good, you start life-saving measures. But I ain't see nobody checking a pulse, seeing if he, what the hell going on here? I see SAR said secure the knife, so I'm assuming somebody secured the knife. But what the hell is going on here?
Who shot?
I'm good.
Good job by the officers, though. Good execution as far as putting them down.
I'm good.
Okay.
Hello.
You guys okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Y'all good?
And that's the 10th floor, right?
320. 320. You're over here. I don't need any extra parts right now.
Damn, nobody ain't gonna.
No, yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Let me call Benita, so.
What the?
Who shot? What's your beat?
313.
313. Let me call the lieutenant.
You did too, right? Yeah. We both did.
Scene is secure. You can turn off your cameras. Does your car have a camera in it? No. Okay. All right, we're gonna have to sit you in the car, and we're gonna have to call everybody. I gotta call lieutenant.
My car, in-car camera is broken. So.
What did she say? 320. What was that?
Alfonso was pronounced dead at the scene after being shot by police. The Civilian Office of Police Accountability launched an investigation into the officer's use of force, and detectives later found he had fatally stabbed another resident before the encounter. The case remains under administrative review pending the final COPA findings. Please show your support by liking this video to see more of these cases.
It's good. That's good. Yeah, I think obviously I think, you know, the officers did the right thing as far as you know, shooting them, you know, sending them to the afterlife. That's a good thing. But he was pronounced dead on the scene. Yeah. But I feel like, shouldn't they have started life-saving measures? Like that's the number one thing that you know, once everybody have gotten themselves under control, you know, that was a very high intense situation. You know, everything was, you know, okay, you know, came at Sarge with okay, they put him down, secured the knife. And then once you get your bearings, you're supposed to start life-saving measures. You're still supposed to start CPR, something. Nobody ain't do none of that, nothing. Everybody just, yeah, that's gonna be quite an investigation, boy, because yeah, that's gonna be an investigation. Because that automatically, to me, I'm like, what? I think everything leading up to that was great. Awesome. I even agree with putting them down. I agree. But you secure the knife and you start life-saving measures. Everybody just stood in the hallway like deer in the headlight. Don't know what's going on. What the hell? Oh boy. Yeah, Chicago PD, they different, boy. That's different. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't never seen no shit like that. That's different, boy. They just leave you there like, oh yeah, oh wow. So yeah, I think the officers did a good job, but at the end, you know, so I can't give him a 5 for that, but I give him a 4, you know, because you still supposed to do life-saving measures until EMS get there and then they take over. You know, that's, everybody know that. Like that, like, yeah, Chicago different, boy. I don't know. 4 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.